I was really hoping I didn't have to pull this one because really the leaf is so tiny. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know how I'm going to get this up, but I'm going to try. I'm trying to just cut it with my nail. But I promise you that is a 4-leaf clover. Let's get it in a cup.
Well, I had to get the tweezers out for this one. The stem is way too tiny, and I am not dropping this in the snow. Day 664 of the 4-leaf clover of the day. Yay! I'm hoping I can get this in the album with it not looking like a blob. Let's get this inside. Better than what I thought. See you tomorrow.